Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and features of the latest version of MIUI 12 26.4 based on MI Room to Poco iPhone. And here you can see the version of MIUI 12. Now let's see how to install this build to your Poco iPhone. First you need to download the ROM from given the link and create one folder in your phone storage and move the file to that folder like this. My files. Here you can see I just created one folder because it's easy to find while flashing the ROM in TWRP. You need to flash TWRP before all doing this. After that, just turn off your phone. After turn off your phone, we need to go into TWRP recovery by holding power button and volume increase button at the same time. Now it's booting into TWRP recovery. So here you need to wipe 4 things from wipe section. So go to wipe, then advanced wipe, choose Dolby Cache system and data. Here down, swipe to wipe. After wipe, go back, choose install, choose you created one folder and select the zip file you already downloaded. Just swipe to confirm flash. Now it's flashing. After flashing, do wipe again, then reboot your system. That's it, we successfully flashed the zip file. Now it's booting into the latest version of MIUI 12 from MI Room developers. I strongly suggest you don't flash by Dirty Flash. This is booting animation from MI Room developers. That's all. Just move into installation process and whatever it asks just give and proceed to next. So here choose language which one you want. I'm going to choose English, then forward, skip it, accept the terms and forward, select the SIM card which one is data available. Then after that it's checking for updates. Now create Gmail account if you want, then accept the Google terms and conditions and move forward and move forward. Here skip the step and location. So here choose theme which one is you want. I'm going to choose default from MIUI 12. So that's it, we successfully flashed MIUI 12 26.4 from MI Room to Poco iPhone. Now let me show you some of the features in this build. In this build you will getting smooth experience from system UI. There is no issue with control center, so all options are available. So first we are going to see about the app remove animation. Here you can see, now choose some apps and click remove. So now it's looking like stylish animations, and this is cool features from MIUI 12. And let me show you safety net check in Magisk Manager. So go to Magisk Manager from your app drawer. Here just open the Magisk Manager. Then after opening the app, just tap the reload button, then OK. Now it shows some error like value is false. So if the value is false means we are not able to use official banking applications, Google Pay, etc. We are going to fix this by doing options and settings. Scroll down. Here you can see Magisk hide, then come back, tap the same button. Now it shows the value is true. So there is no issue with you can use banking applications, Google Pay, etc. Then after that we are going to see about the main feature of MIUI 12 AOD, always on display. Now go to settings. In this settings scroll down. Here AOD, select the settings, always on display, just enable it and lock your screen. Now it shows without error, without stuck, but some of the times it's not stable. I'm going to choose another one style. Here you can choose either one, there are a lot of styles available. So I'm going to choose this one, then apply. Now back, just enable it, lock your screen. So this is one of the main cool features from MIUI 12. Then after that we are going to see about dual status bar by going to display settings. So here display, Here control center and notification state, select that. So here you can see status bar style. There are 3 types of styles available. Just choose dual status bar. Then after choosed, you will getting dual status bar. You can see both top corners like this. Even you can change the color of notification icons. Just enable the colored notification icons. After that, lock your screen and unlock. Now you can see it colored one. And finally, system navigation. So in this build, system navigation is working fine. So go to settings and here display settings, scroll down. Here you can see full screen display, just choose. So select gesture. So that's it. Here you can see there is no issue. And special features like floating window, game turbo, video toolbox and second space. So there is no issue with floating window. I'm going to open some of the application at once. Themes and music. Here you can see the app opening speed is good, and also the recent screen is working well. There is no lagging with recent screen and floating window. That's it. If you like this video, like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.